road. Yesterday I couldn't go because my PMS was shooting all over the place. But today I felt more stable, and so I'm doing my walk. Yeah, I'm at the old side, and I'm going towards the holes at the old side. Then I use a Scooby road, but today I'll do a detour, and then I'll use the cells Zenith Bank area. So yeah, I'll keep you abreast of my journey as I go. That's the plan. So I'm at Science. Technically or ideally, I would have branched. Hey, did I say branched? And I've gone through this part, then gone through my right to my end. But today I'm going to extend, so I get to the Felt traffic light, or the Cells or Cal traffic light. Then I head toward the Zenith area. So I'm not going to go left, so I'm going to go right. I'm going to continue straight up to the shuttle station. Then I continue. So that's my normal route. I go, but today it's a detour. So that's the UCC Science Shuttle Station. Yeah, just that's opposite the library. Okay, so it's a bit dark here. So yes, that's the library. At that side, there's a lecture theatre at that side. I'm going to walk through those lights in the tree to the next traffic light. So yeah. So that's okay. So there's some lecture theatres here. The street light is not too good here. So yeah, that's how it started as Felt Faculty of Education Lecture Theatre, migrated to CELT College of Education, and I think now the CA Aka Lecture Theatre Calc. Yeah, but I'm going to go to my right. Then I'm going to go through from here. It looks like the light is out, but this is SDS that goes down through Sasakawa. Then through I use the Zenith traffic light, so I think I'll link up when I get to the Zenith area. I'm coming from that's Valco Trust. There's alumni as a senior car house. The street lights on this side apparently is not working. If I knew, maybe I would have used this route because I like to have light on my path. So yeah, so this is the path I went yesterday. So if you want to see the view from here, just watch the video I aired yesterday. Yeah. So to the right is from the old side roundabout, and the left is from Smith. Good morning. Left goes to Smith, but I'm going straight. So this wasn't the route I was supposed to use, but I've had to do a detour and walk to the old side because yes, my motivation for passing the Zenith route was to use the bank's ATM, but it's out of service at the moment, and there's one at the old side. So yeah, I'm going to that side instead. And I've shown this view quite a countless number of times, so you can check out my previous videos to enjoy the view. A little drained, but yeah, we move. So I'm all sweaty this morning, extremely sweaty. Yeah. Well, because I'm experiencing my PMS, like I made mention earlier, I'm not really working too fast. Don't forget that I shared in one of the episodes that when you are in your menses or preparing for your menses, or when you're starting your exercise right after your menses, you need to be as gentle as possible. Yes, so you don't want to do something which is overly strenuous for you. So that's what I'm checking at the moment. So I'm walking, but because I think I'm working for like 40 minutes now. Yes, so that's how come I'm sweating so bad. But it's cool. Yeah. Today I think I look more bubbly. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to the old side. I need money. So I'm going to the ATM. Yeah. See my shadow there. Yeah, so we move. So you can check my earlier videos for more campus scenes or campus view. Yeah. I just got to the ATM at Old Side and there's a medical. Funny enough, I passed it because I knew if I withdraw from here, I wasn't going to walk all the way to Zenith Bank at Science, only for me to get there and realize that that one is rather out of service. Then I came back to square one. Either way, it's made me walk more and I'm sweating more. So yeah, I'm going back to my house now. So yeah, this is the part I actually used this morning to Science. So this is the old administration block. Yeah, the front actually views the sea. Yeah, maybe I should use the highway home or I should use my shortcut home. Which should I use? So yeah, this part goes to, yes, the seafront, which is the main entrance. Am I at the middle? No, I'm not. So this is the middle, which views the sea. Yeah, but I'm not going to use that route. That route home would mean I'll use the highway. I don't use the highway. Sometimes people speed too much, so I'll just pass the normal route I use when I'm starting, which is by the hospital. So yeah, that's the UCC hospital in the trees over there. So usually I come from straight down there that I come. It looks pretty cloudy today, so I think I'll have to double my steps back before some rain lashes me. Yes, it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm very hungry. I've been talking for the whole day. I'm going to be having some groundnut soup and I'm going to add some curry here. I miss this. Just a little bit. This is like 2 tablespoons. That's filling. Yeah, so I almost ended up the day without doing my screenshots of my workout time. I think that happened yesterday. I forgot to take the final count for the day, and this morning because I was on phone when I got in, it skipped me to take a screenshot of my pedometer when I came, so unfortunately it got mixed up. But then what happened was when I came back from my walk, I did a bit of cooking, then I went to the office, then on my way to the office I had to walk a little to the old site again for a taxi, then to Science, then a little walk to the office. So that added up to my pedometer count. So later in the day I remembered and I took a screenshot of it. Yes, and then aside that, what did I do? Yes, so I was just doing, today I just did more of my voiceovers for my videos. I did my video thumbnails, and I just finished working on writing the recipes, because if I don't write it last minute when you're uploading and things, it becomes a lot of work. But when you prep like that, it makes it easy. So once the videos are scheduled, I just go to the description, just copy and paste for my file in there. Once the thumbnails are also ready, you can just edit and it goes alongside. So yeah, that's how come my eyes are looking so tired. It's just been a cooking with Abba behind the scenes work day as well. Nowhere easy. So yes, that's what I did mostly today, and yeah, my day is literally ended now. So I'm just going to show my pedometer count for the evening as well. Yes, I think whatever I ate in the day, that was just a soup. I shared it in as well. And I almost forgot, this evening I think the soup almost at 12. That was 10 minutes to 12. So when I came in, I was still working. I was a bit hungry, so I took in cocoa. Yes, I took in 1 cup of cocoa with a bit of oats and cake. It's on my channel as well.
So yeah, that's what I took in this season. Excuse me, I should take a picture of it. Pardon me. But then yeah, I was just working. I was just engrossed in work. So yes, that was pretty much it. So I'll just share my Flames account for the day. Then it's a wrap for the day. Please do well to share. Do well to encourage others to join our weight loss specials collection, and then do well to subscribe. Do well to like. Do well to share.